Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades from today. First up, we have GIS. GIS, I observed setting up this morning on the 30-minute actually. Putting in a level here at 7:30 at 60, again at 8 at 60. Broke the level here at 8:30, but if you look at the daily, you can see even today we're just in a big long-legged doji here, and you can see lots of wick action and things like that. So I wanted to wait on this one after I saw this 8:30 candle. You can see it got bought back up a little bit, and then we'll come in for a bit more definition. On the 30, you can see after it puts in this wick here, it stays in line with the triangle. So I took an entry here at 60.46 in between. I got a split entry in between 60.47 and 60.46. Stop above this candle here at 60.75. My stop was at 60.76, so 30 cents. Sold off, broke the 60 level, but got bought back up. Came back up, tested my stop, and it didn't break, so I added to my position up here at 60.53, moved my stop to 60.66. Took a partial down here at 60.34, stopped out here at the break even. Next up, we have DXC. DXC, I observed setting up on the 15-minute, putting in a level at 16.25 here at the 8:15 candle, the 9:15 candle. We get a breakout here at the 10:15 candle. We'll come in. And you can see the descending triangle forming here. And before I got into this one, we can see here this long-legged doji here, maybe average volume, I think a little low. But if we look here on the 30-minute, we see this shooting star here, and then we see this volume, and then we look at this candle here. This is the 9:30 a.m. candle. We see the 10 a.m. candle here. The volume really comes in. So I took my entry here at 16.25. I got a split entry between 25.50 and 24.50. Put my stop at 16.35. Sold off. Got down to 16.12. I was looking for 16.05 for my first partial. Pull back. I noticed weakness in level 2, so I added to my position here at 16.25, still being my average. Stop at 16.30, 5-cent stop. First target 16.15, 16.05, 95, 85, 75, and then 65 here, which coincides with this 200 SMA on the 15, and then we got a pretty nice reversal, and it's been moving up. But just took the last bit off here, done for the day. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.